Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make YouTube channel logo. So first we gotta write canva.com. So at first it might show you the login options if you open it the first time. So first you have to log in. Then click on create a design. Click on YouTube channel logo. Now you can make your own logo, but I am only gonna give you an example. So for example, if I choose CO, this one, yeah. So you can write over here. You can write your logo name, but I am gonna write an example. AB box. You can make a simple logo like this, or you can add some details from elements option. You can choose any elements. I'm gonna choose this one. There. Now that's a perfect example of a logo. Now this is only an example of a logo, and you can also make another design like this one, yeah. So you can write your name, your logo name, but I'm gonna write on the AB box, and you can add more details from elements like this one. Or you can also choose more things, and you can also add animated logo elements like this one there. Now I'm going to give you another example of a logo. For example, another example of a logo, for example, like and subscribe. Move it over here and add an heading AB box. Now if you want to decorate it, where is it? Yeah, this one. You can move it over here, the place you want to do it, and you can also make it a little smaller. There. Now you can also do more things. You can also draw it. You can also draw something over here. Example, glue pen. Wait a minute, let me create a new logo. You can also draw something. First you can upload a design like this. Rub everything. Now go and draw better. Now click on glue pen. You can adjust the size and transparency. Now I'm just gonna write an example. A B box. There. You can also adjust the size as well, and there are many different colors like this one. but it's gonna show red outlines in here and blue one and the blue lines. I hope and there's a eraser also. You can also erase the ones you draw. Okay, I hope you like my video. Thank you.